Hi peeps, this is Aussie Vass. Watch up here in this video, and ignore the noise in the background, by the way. Probably shouldn't be doing that. And wow, it's raining. I haven't done a video for a while. I have to be careful of showing the footage this way because there's a number plate on the cars. I have to be careful because I don't want people know what my number plate is. And yeah, I should not be doing that on YouTube. So, and I'm basically moving my phone on the window, and the footage looks like it's all still, it's like a 3D model or something. And it's like a 3D picture because I have a window as people can see. Oh shoot. I don't know if I and ignore the noise in the background as well. Just ignore the noise on the background because yeah. The clouds are really dark. Well, a bit dark, like so much clouds. A bit of fog from over there. I know you guys can't see it, peeps can't see it. And yeah, I was originally meant to do a video this morning, but I can't because there's so much noise in the background. So yeah, and my phone's on around, I can't tell what percentage it was. It's a bit of a low battery, but I could still record. And anyway, anyone can like and subscribe, etc. And bye.